hallowed halls of Scotland's whisky warehouses, where time itself seems to sleep in oak barrels, are about to get a new four-legged guardian. And it's not a terrier, it is robot dogs armed with laser-focused sensors, silently patrolling in the dark on a mission to hunt down the most precious of ghosts. In a collaboration that feels like a meeting of ancient magic and future tech, Spirits giant Bacardi is working with Scotland's National Manufacturing Institute on a trial that could change the game. For centuries, making Scotch has been an art guided by intuition and tradition. Master blenders and warehouse staff have relied on their eyes and experience to monitor the casks, watching for leaks and evaporation. That evaporation, the angels share, is the natural loss of whiskey to the air as it matures. It's romantic in name, but in reality, it's lost profit and inconsistency. Boston Dynamics Spot Robot, fitted with a custom 3D printed arm and a sensor kit developed in Scotland. As it walks the long, damp aisles, it doesn't just look, it sniffs. It's detecting ethanol vapor levels in the air, creating a precise, data-rich map of the warehouse environment. A faint, costly leak that a human might miss over weeks is now an instant. Digital alert. The industry is threading a very careful needle. On one side, you have purists for whom whiskey is a sacred craft, a legacy passed down through generations. The very thought of a robot in the warehouse might feel like a betrayal. Bacardi and others are acutely aware of this. They're emphasizing that the craftsmanship, the heritage, the human soul of the blend remains untouched. This is about safeguarding that liquid history, ensuring less is lost to the angels, and giving human experts better tools. It's about using data to protect tradition. We've seen a Swedish distillery use AI to formulate a whiskey recipe. Now, we have AI-driven robots protecting the maturation. We are witnessing the slow, steady embrace of automation in one of the world's most traditional industries. The image is utterly compelling. The warm wooden glow of century-old casks and the sleek, mechanical form of a robot dog, its sensors glowing softly, both serving the same golden liquid. It's a perfect metaphor for our moment, a future built not by destroying the past, but by learning to walk beside it, quite literally, on four robotic legs. The question for us is, do we raise a glass to that? Let me know what you think down below.